Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naomi. I do wig reviews, hair reviews, and also lifestyle content. Today's wig review is this unit from Tracy Hair & Co. It's a 13x6 30-inch 300 density wig. The color is natural black, and let me tell you guys, this is the best wig I have yet. This is me showing you guys how full the wig is. The HD is 13x6 and it's HD, so don't forget that. That is my stylist doing her thing. Please go check her out on Instagram and book her. Her name is Kiss My Inches. I mean Kiss My Inches. How? Anyways, yeah. If you don't want to watch the entire review, you can skip up to minute 6 so that you can watch the BN concert, because the wig installation is gonna take a while, like 5 minutes max.
You say I can make you feel good, like that you come. You say I can make you feel good. You know you call me up in the middle of the night. You say I can make you feel good. Now you want me to somebody outside. You say I can make you feel good. Just 'cause I felt it with another guy.
Itabisukitala mong bafa Utina, ungspina binemoyeni Kala mong tamba, uiklina Uikilisa leponeni mama Kantu papaganda Kantu papaganda Kantu papaganda Ay, ititala mong baba Utina, ungspina binemoyeni Kala mong what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. This time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got ways too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me.
All these sexy girls in the club, You see all these sexy girls in the club, What girl I wanna order you tonight? Every time you walking out the club, girl I want you to be mine. Girl I want you in my life, I swear. Teasing me,
got it, don't.
And then we were done, and to be honest, can you see the melt? There's no lace inside, and honestly I was wowed. Shout out to Tracy Hair & Co. Please reach out to them on Instagram if you want any orders, whether it's bundles, a frontal, curly wigs, straight wigs. Trust you, you're not gonna be disappointed. Look at that. This was me before I left for the event. And the wig, the star of the show, baby. Star of the show.
Sikipige kitu.
Acha zima simu. Zima simu.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are my brothers, they're called from Kisoro.